Hello and greetings from Zurich. This is Isaac on behalf of Streetwise, taking Streetwise Global. Today, I'm going to share with you guys how I am able to trade while I'm here in Switzerland. I'm originally based in Canada in Vancouver, and our time zone is the Pacific Standard Time, but I trade on the New York Stock Exchange and sometimes at the Toronto Stock Exchange, which is 3 hours ahead of our time. So with the Zurich time, I am 6 hours ahead. So that means my trading day usually starts around I think 3:30 p.m. Zurich time. So how I've been trading is that particularly for this week, I'm recording this video on May um, May 12th, 2025, and I usually plan for my day. I plan for the week. And last week on Friday, I actually took some trades. I took cash secured puts on Sophie. I did a cash secured put on Google. And interestingly, I'm gonna see how the market is gonna react because right here this weekend, Secretary Besant was having trade talks with China. So that might probably cause the market to go up. So how I usually do, like right now today, we are going to have a sit tour here to the around Zurich city. We're gonna take the cruise 30 minutes here in Lake Zurich where I'm recording this video, and also do a visit to the Lindit home of chocolate, and just to learn as well. And after that, we will finish around probably 4 5, and that means the markets, the US markets will be open. But will then head back. It's gonna take us probably 41 minutes by public transport. So by the time that I get home, depending on how the positions that I have, I'm just going. I like to take profits. I'm gonna assess and see. But this week, I usually plan ahead in terms of the economic data. I checked on investing.com. There's going to be some data, core PCE data, and retail numbers, and those can really move the market. So when I'm trading, I'm just buying and selling, and sometimes I do sell cash secured puts. That means I should have the cash and I open the position by offering to buy that security. Let's say for the contract I did for Google, Google was trading around 151. So I said, okay, I'm happy to buy Google 100 shares for one contract for if it goes to 145, let's say in 2 weeks. So if it drops to that level, then I should have 14,500 in the account. So it drops, but then I open the trading. So that means I get paid. Let's say if I get paid $400, that's the credit that I get. So that's the money that I get paid. Let's say if by the end of that time, that's 2 weeks, for example, if Google trades above 145, I get to keep that. But usually, if it goes up, it means I can actually have profits, and I usually cash out, whether it's 200 or 300 in a day or two, and that's how I'm trading. So that's how I'm trading. But essentially, my day is lined up with activities like exploring the city, and that's the vacation part of it. And then when I get back to the hotel, usually if we finish the day activities before 3:30 or even after 3:30 p.m., I then do my trading, and that sort of, in a way, actually helps me to fund the trading activities. So that's how I've been, trading, and that also helps us to do some activities. But the most important thing, of course, we plan about these things, the trips ahead, and usually the costs, we cover them. So trading, if I make money, that's it. If I don't, I have to have the pressure to make money for us to buy food, and that's important there. So that's how I'm trading, and I'm gonna be continuing to bring these insights and experiences to you guys right in your doorstep through the lens of the camera and the way that I'm seeing this. And this is Isaac here signing out from Lake Zurich in Switzerland. Make sure you subscribe, you follow me on social media. I'm gonna be dropping these videos over time, of course, because it takes time. I might edit a little bit, just make sure that there are some statistics and some graphics for you guys to see it quite clearly. So Thank you so much for supporting me throughout this journey. And I always like to say, trade and invest wisely, and may the markets be on your side. Bye bye for now. Thank you so much.